So to start a program, you use these two buttons what we used before for the blade change. But you press these two buttons at the same time. You press and hold it. Now you activate it here, and now you're in the job change program. We move to the first position, and when it's in the first position, then it also takes in the pressure. So, pressure in. You got two screws. The cutout shows you what side you open. So you just use that screw. And open it. We normally turn the screw out till it's on one level with the surrounding metal. So you grab the blanket, you just pull it out. So it's out. And now it's the most important thing. When you now pull on the blanket, you always will need the finger guard. That's quite annoying. Then it stops 10, 20 times till you got a blanket out. We don't need to pull. You got a pressure in. It's guided. So you only grab it and just press it down. You just hold it down. So blanket or blade out. Press here. Now you just hold it down. So, please open the other screw. And we can take it out. Packing. We use that kind of packing. You also can use paper. That's okay. And it's the same. Packing is only holded by two small springs, nothing more. If you want to remove it, you really have to pull on the packing itself. So you grab the packing and you just pull. So and then you got here that whole clamp bar. You open it. It's just here with the pins.
Okay.
Just put it back. You see it fits exactly in the cutout of the cylinder. There's not much more space left, and then you only press it in here. Here you got a small spring. Press it in here. Press it in here. Great. So you will recognize that the cylinder is much bigger now than the blanket. We got quite a big distance to the barrel ring. This is only that we got less dirt on the barrel ring. That's the reason why we keep that quite big distance to the blade or to the blanket. So now you only have to look that you really cover the packing. That's the most important thing. The blanket is always bigger than your print or anything like that, and the packing is in the middle. So just look that the packing is covered, and that's it. So now we close the screw. In the manual it's written down 25 half turns. This is a maximum value. So it depends always a little bit on the blanket itself, how soft it is and stuff like that. If you really turn 25 half turns, it can get tricky to get in the back side. I normally do something between 15 or 20.
That's where he likes to be with it.
Not bad.
If it's really in, you will notice when you turn the screw. If it's not in, then you turn the screw 2-3 times, then it's blocked. Then you have to press it in. If you go on with just with power, then it will spring out. So we have to close here because now we can't press the finger guard because it's like that. So we only turn here till we recognize that it gets harder, so that we get contact with the cylinder. Now, and then we can move to the last position. The last position is when we move a little bit further, that we got access to both screws. because that is the last position and we don't need to move the press anymore, we can open the guard now. So that's helpful because the torque range is quite big, and then it's helpful if you've got a little bit more space. Okay, so remember, we are still in the program, we still got pressure on, so we just kill the program, the pressure's off, and now we tighten it. When that happened, you know you need a new tool. So that's it.